Yoga and depression. Depression is such a state of mind where person doesn't like anything, person wants to stay in a corner, maybe cry, maybe finish his life and so on. Now this state is such a state where actions are minimum, only thinking goes on. So when mind is weak, body has to take over. And body should be busy. Take up some work in the house, work with anybody and keep busy working. Slowly depression could be managed. An asana in yoga which is called as chakrasana, when you are bending back, bending forward, breathing in, breathing out, strengthening your systems, trying to make your spine flexible so that tension of spine goes away, trying to see that intra-abdominal where tension is received is released. So this is such an asana which should be performed. But now we have to have a caution here. People suffering from hypertension, cardiac problem, people who have too much of ulcer in stomach because it gets compressed, should not do this asana. With weak eyesight, detachment of retina may be possible, should not do this asana. So normal healthy people should be doing. Again, people suffering spondylosis or spinal disorders should also not do the asana. So should be done by people who are generally healthy but in depression. Do this asana once or twice in a day, but during day also. This is called as toe touching. Bend down and touch your toe whenever possible. I would rather say 4 times in a day we are eating food. Before eating food, just try to touch your toe, bring flexibility, form such habit in life, and that would help improving circulation, improving flexibility and removing tensions from the system. Depression will not come if you are doing something to improve yourself, and that's what is required. So try.
This chakrasana is performed while standing. Stand straight. Keep your feet 2 feet apart. Make a fist and raise your arms. Inhaling, raise your hands up and bend backwards. Exhaling, bend forward and move your arms behind. Interlock your fingers at the back. Stay in this position for as long as you are comfortable. Inhaling, return to the starting position. Let us perform the pose again.